Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good noon. I am here for making another video in English. And you people saw that I wear my simple and beautiful cute earring, and I got this from Umme Shahera Enikapu, who works with batik products. I mean batik shari, batik Punjabis, batik sandal or batik bags. She gifted me this earrings with her batik shari. I ordered a beautiful pink batik shari from her, and I like to wear batik shari, and I think the batik shari of Enikapu, it is really comfortable, and I like to wear all the time, most of the time, batik shari. And I saw a live program where Rajiv Ahmed sir was yesterday, and he wore batik shirt. Yes, maybe I think I am right. I am correct that he wore our Honorable Rajiv Ahmed sir also wear batik shirt, and so many most of the time sir likes to wear batik shirt, because this is really comfortable for all of us, and and I like the earrings of from Enikapu, and it was a gift for me. I was surprised to get these earrings, because I like to get gift. So I like to get gift. So and do you know that today I finished my breakfast with rice and egg. Rice and egg, I don't like this most, but this is shortcut for me, and that's why I am here. And I am giving time for my study. So do you know that I slept yesterday for a long time? A long time means I think that it is about 6 or 7 hours I slept. And so many people think that if they want to be so many people think that if they want to be an wise person, if they want to be successful, they have to woke up whole night. But it's not mandatory. You can study, you can work when you like to, when you feel comfort, as like so many people like to work or study at midnight. It's their matter, but it's not mandatory that if we want to be a wise person, if we want to be successful, we have to be woke up at midnight, or we have to work at midnight. The main thing is that we have to utilize our every 2 minutes. But we don't do that. We just waste our time by doing meaningless work. We just so many people give message, so many people disturb, so many people waste their time by insult other people practices. As like I will give an example that I am practicing. Suppose I am practicing here, and I am utilizing my time, but so many people, or a few people, will make fun of my practice, because they like to waste time of themselves. But I am not wasting my time, I am utilizing my time. And I learned this theory from Rajiv Ahmed sir. Do you know that I before I was not like not like this, and I wasted my time by doing a lot of things. I mean, I used to watch a funny video. I used to sleep more time, and I used to waste my time by going to outside without any important work or important job. So I have to be, and I'm learning this. I'm learning all the good thing from DSP group, and all the time I like to read the post of sir. All the time I like to read the important post of DSP group. Today I read today I read 40 post. I read. I read 30 post of Kakuli Talukdar Apu. I all the time I like to take the name of sister. I like to say Jamdani Apu. So Kakuli Apu means Jamdani Apu. We all know that, and I think that she is the queen of personal branding. And today I read her 30 post from DSP group. I watched a video. I watched six video of six video in English of Kakuli Talukdar Apu. She is really attentive. She is really serious, and she is really fluent in English, and she is trying hard. She is doing mashallah good, and okay. And I read her other post. Those are really important, and and I read other post which was about Arifa model. I knew a lot of thing about the traditional product, about the traditional places of different districts by reading the post of Arifa model, the post of different people. They are who are maintaining, who are doing the theory of Arifa model. And I am also writing minimum one post every day by following the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, and its name is Arifa model. So Arifa model means not that we are making famous our Arifa Apu. It means that the tendency of following of Arifa model theory, that we are writing about our traditional products, traditional places in our profile by tagging Arifa Apu. We are writing, we are reading, and we can know, we can get idea, and we just let know the other people about our traditional product of our district. So it means that we can know, we can get idea about our whole country's traditional places, traditional food. So it will it is really important for e-commerce of our Bangladesh, and thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz. Okay, read attentively, and all the time be regular.